Hey, what's going on, guys? SargeantsTechTips. Welcome to another video on the channel. Now, in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to install LibreOffice in 2026. LibreOffice is a free office suite. It doesn't require you to pay anything. It's free and open source. At least I think it's open source. I could be wrong on that portion, but it is free. I have used it in the past. You haven't activated Windows yet, have you? Good, because I've got a solution for you. Go to the link in the description below. Once you find the link, get your Windows or Office key today. Click that link. It's going to bring you to winprokeys.com, which is a sponsor of today's video. First, you want to figure out what Windows version you have. You want to go down here to your Start button, right-click on it, click System. You can open up your settings panel here. You're going to scroll down and you're going to see Windows 11 Home or Pro. Now what you can do is you can go back to WinPro Keys, find the key you want. We need Windows 11 Home. You're going to click Buy Now. Now before you do anything or you make any purchases, go over to Have a Coupon. You're just going to click this button here. You're going to copy and paste the coupon code in the description below. Then you're going to click Apply Coupon. Once you get this screen here, it's going to say, thank you, your order has been received. All you have to do is wait for the product key to come into your email. Once you get the product key in your email, you're going to go ahead and go back down to your Start button. You're going to right click on it. You're going to click System. You're going to go down to Product Key and Activation. You're going to go ahead and click Change. You're going to grab that product key. Now you're going to enter that product key right into here and you click Next. After you enter your key, you click Activate. And there you go. Windows is activated for much cheaper than if you were to buy it from Microsoft. Click the link in the description below and check out WinPro Keys. I want to thank them for sponsoring this video. To do this, all you have to do is go to your browser of choice, then look up LibreOffice, and you can find the first link. Then you can go ahead and click Download Now. Then you're going to look for the version you need. Obviously, we're on Windows 86/64. If you're not sure, go down to your Start menu down here, right click on it, click System. Once your system specs show up, you can see here, I've got a 64-bit operating system. This would say ARM-bit operating system or ARM-based CPU or something along those lines if you were on an ARM-based CPU. We're going to go ahead and install the 86/64 variant. I'm going to go ahead and click Save, and it's going to go ahead and download it up here. Go ahead and double-click it. Oh, I didn't double-click it. That's okay. We'll double-click it here. Took a moment, but I think it was just trying to contact Smart Screen, which was just trying to confirm it's not a virus or anything. You just go ahead and click Run. Then we can go ahead and click Next. We can go ahead and close out of our File Explorer and our browser. I usually do typical install. You can mess with custom if you want. Custom just allows you to change interface stuff as well as optional stuff to install. But we're just going to go ahead and do typical. You can also have it just load on system startup. For example, if you just, you open your laptop, you turn it on, you want LibreOffice to open up so you can start, word processing or something along those lines, that does actually work. All you gotta do is click install. This can take a minute depending on the speed of your system. UAC will pop up. Go ahead and click yes. And once installation is complete, it's going to go ahead and let you know that it's complete and go ahead and click finish. And LibreOffice is installed. You can go over here to the left on your desktop, or you can go to your start menu and look up LibreOffice, just like LibreOffice. It will allow you to launch the separate application, or you can just click LibreOffice and it's going to go ahead and launch up, and then it's going to allow you to look through all the files you have. Usually right here it'll just show you what you have already opened. As you can see, recent documents. You also get some templates for different things. You get like stuff for the presentation software, which is basically PowerPoint, as well as documents. And I think if we go to spreadsheet, calc spreadsheet, this is basically Microsoft Excel. We've also got Writer. This is just a word processor. Basically, it's nothing special, but it will work for what you need it for. It's also dark mode, which is nice other than the page. I will leave a download link in the description below so you guys don't have to look up LibreOffice. It'll just bring you straight to the correct website, so you don't have to worry about downloading the wrong thing. If there's any other videos you guys want to see on how to install programs, Linux distros, or anything along those lines, tech related, is also fine. Let me know in the comments below. Like the video if you liked it, dislike if you thought it sucked, subscribe to the channel because I haven't done so already. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys next video, and peace out.